Hi everyone, and in today's video I want to look at a fully remote working from home opportunity. It's trading the currency markets using someone else's money and using automated software called expert advisors. You can get a maximum of 100,000 US dollars, and any profits you make on it you keep 70%. Trading the financial market is indeed risky, but they absorb any losses, not you. What's the downside for yourself? Well, you have to pay a fee to them for the privilege of a trading account, which is only refundable if you pass their challenge. So keep watching the video if you want to learn more. They also have a free trial to give you a feel of how it all works. I tested this with my expert advisors to see what would happen. That is also in the video. This is the FTMO website, and here you can trade up to 100,000 US dollars. So they will give you 100,000 US dollars to trade on the currency markets. And what they're saying is, there's something up here, see if I can find it. For any of the 100,000 US dollars, you will receive 70% of the profits that you make on it. So you will use that capital, you will trade it on the currency markets, and any profits, 70% of those profits will go into your pocket, and they keep this 30% because it's their money. I mean, you are not risking your own capital, they're covering the losses. And in order to be able to participate, you have to do something called their challenge. So this is their challenge, and there's 3 steps. There's something called the FTMO challenge, and after you've passed it, if you pass it, you go into a verification, and once you pass that, you become an FTMO trader. So the way this works is that first of all, you select how much money you want to manage. So say you want to manage 100,000, which is their maximum. The FTMO challenge then is a period of 30 days, and you have to trade for a minimum of 10 days, and they will give you a demo account of 100,000, and you have to make 10,000 in 30 days. So that's 10% in 30 days. So you do have to take a bit of risk, and you do need a bit of luck, because it is quite a high target, I think, and you have to pay this fee to participate. So $540 to go for the $100,000 account. You can also aim smaller if you want to try it for a smaller amount. 155 US dollars to participate in the $10,000 challenge. So if you pass that, you get $10,000. So, but I'm interested in all things big, not interested in small stuff. So if we go for $100,000, so assuming that this is the first step, so this is the FTMO challenge, $10,000 you've got to make, so that's 10% on 100,000, and if you pass it, then you go on to verification. So verification is basically the same thing, but you get 60 days, you've got to make $5,000. And I think this is just to make sure that weed out some of the luck. So if you are very, very lucky here, and if you do go again for the verification, basically the same challenge, but a little bit less aggressive, and if you pass that, just in case step 1 was a complete and utter fluke, they have the second step, and if you pass that, then you get to become an FTMO trader, and the money that you've put in initially, the 540 here, is refunded. So that is the challenge. And just want to go further down here. So these are the platforms that it uses: MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader. Now what is quite interesting is MetaTrader 4 is a platform that has been around, and there are things called, if I can look down here, I'll show you. You can use EAs. So EAs are bits of software which plugs into MetaTrader 4, and EAs are what are called expert advisors or trading robots, and these are bits of software which sit in the trading platform, and they trade the currency markets automatically for you. And I do have some EAs, and I wanted to test them. So what I did notice was that there is a free trial, and a free trial allows you to test their platform out just to see what it's like. So good if you're a complete and utter beginner, and I thought I would try it with my EAs that I've got, and I had some good results. So I just want to show you in the client area what happened. So I click here. It looks at the stats for my trading progress on the demo account. Using, I think on the demo account they give you 35,000, and I've selected the pounds, so UK pounds, because I'm from the UK. So 35 UK pounds. I plugged in the EAs, and these were the results. So this is the balance. It started low, but then it started to go up, as you can see. And here, if you have a look, so basically I achieved my trading objectives in 9 days. The worst loss, and these are the limits basically, the max you can lose is 1,750 on a day. The max I lost was 668, and that was the maximum loss for not only for daily but in total. And I didn't quite make the profit target, but in the time limit that I had, so 14 days, I did make £1,219, and this is all completely automatic using the EAs I mentioned. So this is the date I started, this is when I finished, and you can see here the trading results. So starting on day 1, lost £1.25, but the next day I made 247, and then I lost again, and then it did okay. So £93, 377, 155, then lost 500, but then made 180, made 210, and then 709. You see all the stats here, and you can even see all the complete trade breakdown. So in total, I did make money on this demo account. What I'm thinking of doing next is to actually join the FTMO, or actually sign up to their challenge using the same EAs that I was using, and see if I can pass the FTMO challenge and the verification step and become an FTMO trader. So this is all completely hands off really, because once I've installed the software, then I'm expecting it just to sort of trade automatically, and after the set amount of time, hopefully if all goes well, it will pass. So that is the next step, and that's the journey that I want to share with you, and hopefully you can follow, and that's it. So watch this space.